Yo, what is up everybody, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a phone that is not turning on. So currently I already have an S20 FE5Z. Oh, sorry for the fingerprint, guys. Hold on, let me clean it up. Hold up. And I'm going to front as well. On the camera bump. So here's my S20, my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. If you guys see that light flickering, like turn it down and it goes back up, I think my battery is down. So I'm gonna have to change it out once this video is finished. So since I have my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, by the way, let's pretend that the screen is off and doesn't have the other stuff on. So what you need to do is to press and hold the power and the volume down button at the same time. Just pretend that the whole screen is not even working, or the phone is not even on. Just to first restart. So once you do that, you're gonna press and hold until the logo appears. So once that logo appears, you gotta let go from the buttons. That's right, and then let it go. Okay, so once you see that logo, depending on what phone you have, it says something different if you have a different phone. In my case, I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and the phone should be working fine. Let me type in my code, and I'm not letting you guys see it. Okay, so in with the starting. Okay, so if this method does not even work, try connecting a charger, any USB-C charger that is coming from a reliable source of power, like a power adapter or a battery pack that is capable of charging the phone. Make sure you plug it in. Pretend this screen is not on and the phone is not even on at all. Once you put this thing plugged in, once you get this thing plugged in, then you gotta wait for like 5 minutes. Then you gotta press and hold the power and the volume down button at the same time. But if it doesn't do that, wait for like probably 30 minutes, maybe half an hour, to check if you can do this. If you can press the power and the volume down. In my case, my phone is not even having an issue, so you know what? In my case, since I'm recording a video, I'm just gonna screw that 5 minutes. But since you guys are trying to find out why is the phone not even turning on, in my case, my phone is not even having a problem. As you guys can tell, I have my charging status, and my screen is working fine. My phone is working fine, just from the factory. So I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration after like 5 minutes, but since I'm recording a video, like I said, I'm sorry if I repeat it. I'm gonna screw it at 5 minutes or 30 minutes because I don't wanna let these lights battery die. So yeah, so after 5 minutes or 30 minutes, just press on. Oop, don't worry about it. That's some issues with the screen. And then you gotta press and hold. Make sure you wait until you get the logo. Don't worry about the screen because I think my screen is having some issues connecting to the motherboard. That runs the whole Android. So once you feel that vibration and that little logo pops up, just let it go, and then that's it. You solve the problem. It could be either a firmware problem or some sort of an app on the phone that has some data that can corrupt the phone and not able to turn the phone back on. So yeah, so once you get it done, and also it could be a battery. It could be the phone turning off by itself before the battery even dies. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Like, make sure you guys like this video. Serve your phones to people who have the same issue as you have. If you want to support this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And yeah, guys. And I hope you guys. Okay. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.